Hey guys, what's up? Y'all know it's your girl Rush, and today is going to be like a different type of video because normally I'm always doing my hair or something. Yeah, but this probably should have been my first video when I started YouTube, but that's whatever. So this video is to get to know me. So I had asked on my Instagram what you guys want to know about me, and so I'm gonna answer your questions. First question, what is my name? My name is Rochelle Pinnock. Y'all can see I'm Rochelle. Where do I currently live? I live in the Caribbean. Yeah, GWAN. Yeah, I live in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth Junction to be exact. How tall am I? I'm like 5'6". Yeah, I'm about 5'6". Yeah. What year was I born? I'm going to be 19 in April 21st. Why did I look so lost a minute ago just to tell you guys my date of birth? My birthday is April 21st. I was born 2000, so that means I'm gonna be 19 April, but right now I'm 18, so it's still legal, right? Yeah. Tea or coffee? I'd say I'm mostly a coffee person, definitely, because I'm not a morning person either. So yeah. What inspired me to join YouTube? This is a really hard question. To be honest, like I wasn't really seeing a hair type or a person with their hair that I could really relate to, like really relate to, like the texture of their hair and stuff. It was always kind of close but not, you know. That is why I joined YouTube, because I wanted other persons with like my hair type to, you know, have choices and see what you can do with your hair, girl. Are you in college or have you been to college? I'm currently in high school. I graduated from the St. Elizabeth Technical High School, aka STEC. Yeah, and I'm now at the BB Cook High School, where I serve as the deputy head girl. I'm doing sixth form. Didn't I just say that? Anyways, I'm doing sixth form, but I'm only doing a year of sixth form. Normally students do 2 years for sixth form, but I'm doing 1. So by September I can go to college. I've applied for a few colleges, but I've got back responses from 2, and I'm supposed to do an interview, so I'm just waiting on that right now. So hopefully by September I'll be in college. You're nearly a girl. Growing up and stuff. What do I want to become in the future? I want to be one media personality. I'm gonna stop. The pot are coming out. I want to be a media personality. Like, I just want to be somebody who's really influential. I just want to go into a field where I feel like I can be myself and express myself, because my loud and my love do me and my love dress up, and you know, I like being vibrant and interactive and stuff like that. So I mean, for me to be in an area where I'm not really going to be able to fully express myself would be totally hard. So that is why I want to become a media personality. And what I was going to say something, you know, and I forgot. Are you in a relationship? Oh my god, stop. Why? What is a rude? Why y'all had to ask this question? Oh Jesus. Yes, I'm in a relationship. What's your favorite drink and food? I don't know, I just name anything. I eat everything except pork and yeah, pork. I eat everything. Chicken, fish. I've never had oxtail though. One YouTuber that I admire. I love this question so much. Chef B, because she's Jamaican and she was kind of, sorry, She was kind of one of the persons that when I saw her doing YouTube, I was just like, I can't be it too, you know, like she gave me like a push, or like a, you know, she just kind of motivate me in a sense to say, you can't do your thing, girl, stop wait on things and just go run do ya do, and just do it in a your own time frame and just be you. So yeah, my girl chef, I love her. I'm gonna do 2 more questions because you know only too much. What is my go-to hairstyle? My go-to hairstyle would be a sleek, what would I call it? If you know stuff, true. My go-to hairstyle would be a sleek, what do I call this now? Like, well, like, you know, when, boy, I'm gonna make one video on it, you know. Yes, a sleek ponytail. Alright, next question. Who is my role model? Me, of course. My role model would have to be me. Who else but me? Me a star. Me a star long time. I can't style me. I talk about the little things for you. I joke, man, but me, I'm my role model. What is the funniest moment throughout high school? Yo, this one time when I was going to States in like 7th grade, from the day that I never go back to sports day until I graduate. I did sports day, right? And my house, I did Garvey. I remember Pottinger. My house was Pottinger, right? So that's green. And we go out on the field, you know, and we are dance. So I do a cheerleading routine. So like, yeah, you go, girl. Whatever. I don't remember. Many figure that out. I don't remember like exactly what we're doing, but like, me know say them a play my song. And goody, I had on this ponytail. Lord forbid. I had on this ponytail, right? And I was dancing so hard that my ponytail fell off. My ponytail legit fell right off. Like it just drop off, and you just see the little something here, so like you know when you catch up your hair, doesn't put like a ponytail on you, know you have a little something, little oxtail. I was so embarrassed, but at that time, because I was so young, that me never really, it never mattered me that me just continue dancing. Like I was just there dancing all the way through. Like me don't know, yeah, man. That was crazy. Oh my god. My ponytail fell out, like it just drop off, you know. I'm good in a business, good at dance same way. Yeah, fun times. Anyways, guys, I can't answer all of your questions, or else it would take like an hour. So thank you guys so much for keeping up to date with me and just being here on my journey. So this is why me can't do them something and I'm too awkward. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the good news about your girl Wavy. Oh wait, one last question. Why did I choose the name Wavy? Because I look good. My body does so wavy and curvy. I want to see you. I look good, man. I'm kidding, but yeah, I don't know. I just still like the name Wavy from ever since. So yeah, Rosh Wavy. So yes, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.